can I use multiple ads accounts or single ad account for multiple websites in the same niche? If you are concerned with a question like this, then you have to watch this video, because in this video I got a question for Google Ads. So let me answer. Can I use one ad account for multiple websites of same niche on Google Ads? Okay. First of all, yes, you can use one ad account for, but let me even see your question first. Sorry. Hi Ali, I want your opinion on using a single account on multiple websites. I'm doing lead generation for real estate. The websites are single paper lead generation website, all different for each product. Should I do this or make different ad accounts for different website? I will be glad to have your feedback and tip on this matter. So let me answer. Yes, you can do it. Okay, you can run multiple websites of same niche on Google Ads, but keep in mind that only one of this that will be shown. So in some scenarios, if your website are not exact replicas and have different content, then there are high chances that you can show two results, in some scenarios three for same keyword. But in case if this crosses, usually it's one by one, either how many, it doesn't matter how many websites are in your Google Ads account, your ad only be shown for one. But I have seen in some scenarios that people can do it, and they can show 2 to 3 results. But if you increase this, there are chances of suspicious activity going on, and the chances that the Google Ads account will ultimately be suspended, because Google theory doesn't allow you to control all the ad positions, and they want to equally distribute the share to equal other advertisers as well. So keeping in mind this theory, you cannot do it. So an alternative way is to use Google My Client Center, and Google My Client Center should be a good, because I think that because you are running real estate websites, these are your client websites. So in those scenarios, you can use Google My Client Center and call it yourself as an agency. Like we are an MCC client, and you can see over here that we may have different clients running. So you can use this here as well. I'm sorry I cannot show you the other statistical data, but you can see over here that we can add different accounts, link other accounts. So we can use this theory to we can use Google My Client Center to add different websites. But now in question of, if I use multiple accounts for a same website, no, you cannot do it. Yes, in theory you can do it, you can run it, but only one ad will be shown from each domain. So keep in mind this, either of this ad will be shown. So I hope I answers the question, and in case if you need Google Ads audit service management service, you can hire me and my team through the link in the description. Thank you for watching. Take care and bye bye.